Okay, everybody. So this is what I'm doing. I'm messing with the fuel pump here. This one had quite a bit of corrosion, but the ring is still intact. This ring here, you see, and this ring. Get a better picture here. This ring slides to lock, and this is your receiving. This is for your fuel overtake. The big one here goes up to your fuel intake and outtake. This one, and this one is anyways, return line 2. And anyways, I'm learning. But what you want to use to cut these off is a pipe cutter, a flathead, and some clamps to clamp it down. But we got to clean it too, so there's a cleaning process as well. And I dropped it in, excuse me, but if need be, if you have everything and you're able to do it, if people need a fix, I can help out with that. But it's best to get kits, and got a few hoses here that they're sized up. They're sized up, ready to go pretty much. So, and yeah, so we're gonna clean her up here. Get a better look here. And then here is the fuel filter, and this is the, I don't know, I'm figuring it out as I go, but I'll go into it more on the next video. I'm pretty tired, but this is what I'm doing towards the end of my night. This is what I wanted to really get away and do. So yeah, let's get working.